Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? If this is your first time here, my name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. For my returning Luxe family, I love you. Thank you so much for tuning in every time I post a video. I just appreciate you guys so much. If this is your first time here, and if you happen to stay and you like me, you like my content, I'd ask that you would please consider subscribing. I would love to have you really trying to grow my Luxe family, and there's plenty of room. So just come in. Come on in, hit that subscribe button, and also the bell so that you're notified every time that I post a new video, and I would greatly appreciate it. So what am I talking about today? Well, I've done something that I shouldn't have done, but I couldn't help myself. I bought another bag. Oh my gosh, I bought another bag. So I will unbox with you. I purchased this in the store, so I have seen it, but I just got it home and wanted to share with you guys. So if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. So ladies, I have done a good job, I thought, and tried my best to not be on social media too much, because social media, it just gives me ideas. And I was on social media this week, scrolling, and saw this gorgeous bag in my opinion. And I was like, I haven't seen that. Where is that? Where is that? Go to the website. I see it. I see the price. I'm like, oh, but I've been looking for this. I have looked for the past 2 years for the perfect wicker or like basket bag. I thought about getting the Prada, but I just never pulled a cord with that. So when I saw this bag, I was like, I'm in love. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, let's get into it. So you guys know that I have an obsession with Dior. So what I did was, after I saw this, I went to the website, I saw it, I immediately reached out to my SA, and I was like, is this bag new? And do you have it inside the boutique? He responded back immediately, oh, hey. And yes, it is a new bag. It was right off the runway. It was on the runway. And they had one in store. But it was on hold for another client. And I was like, okay, I want it. So Justin, my SA, who I love, reached out to his coworker and said he had a VIP who wanted it and he needed it. So he told me, he said, you can come and you can get it now. It is yours if you can come and get it now. And I was like, okay, I'll be there. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are. Undo all of this. Ribbon. The pretty little packaging that they put on the top. It's just tissue paper. It does have Dior on it too. Really, really pretty and light though, but you can't hardly see it. My receipt. Okay. All right, let's pull it out. All right, ladies. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at the box and the ribbon. I really hate to open it. I love pretty packaging. I really, really love pretty packaging. So, let's get into it. So pretty. Let's see if I can slide this out without messing up my tissue paper. Okay, so there we are. All right. Guys, what do you think of this? This gorgeous wicker Dior oblique pattern bucket bag. This bag is sick. Sick, 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 in my opinion. When I saw this bag, I had to have her. I was like, oh my gosh. I had to have her. Look at the intricate details on this. It has feet. It has Christian Dior on it. The gorgeous gold hardware. It is so freaking nice. On the inside, it has a pocket for your cell phone. Okay. I will open up so you can see that. Can you see that? No, you can see that. There you go. Can you see that? There. This material is so thick. It feels like my oblique saddle bag. The same material. Yes, but it didn't just come with this. Let's see what else it came with. It came with an adjustable strap. An adjustable strap that can be worn on the shoulder or crossbody. Let me attach this for you guys. So you can see. I will insert pics so you can see. Guys, I'm in love. I can't wait to wear her this summer soon, or this spring. It won't just be summer. And I think she's gorgeous. Tell me, what do you think? Is this something you would splurge on? So, how much was this? $5,300 with tax, 57 and some change. This will be a piece I will have forever. So let's talk about some like deets about this bag. So this bag, according to Justin, my essay, each boutique only got 2, and he sold one that was pre-ordered. So he sold that one, and then he got the opportunity to also sell their second, because I bought this one. The strap, he says, is, and I don't really know, and my other strap, it's adjustable, I think, but it's not long enough for crossbody. He said that this strap was specifically made for this bag to be crossbody, and it's the only crossbody strap like this or something, he said. I don't know, but it was just kind of fascinating what he said. So I was like, oh, cool. So if you guys, if you are fans of Dior, you know that a strap by itself is like $1,300. So to get the bag and the strap together is, you know, good.
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri, not right now. So anyway, also this is a runway piece, okay, for spring, summer 21. And after they made whatever they made, he said they're not making anymore and they won't come back, according to him. So if this is something that interests you, you may want to look and see if you can purchase this, because once they're gone, he said they're going to be gone. Guys, what do you think about her? I love her. I really love her. I think she's beautiful. But that's my opinion. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. We know that. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying if you stayed this far. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you're notified. Also, hit the bell, and you'll know every time I post a video. I like to discuss handbags, shoes, fashion, beauty, clothes, all of that. Guys, thank you so much. Love you and be safe. See you in the next video.